I know what it is. They got a welder to the back piece. Hey, so we're back at it in the garage. I'm gonna let you guys see where we're at and what we're gonna do today. So last time we stepped off, we was actually working on the cab corners and also the inner and outer rocker panels. So turn you guys around and show you what I got going. So as you see, we got the inner and outer rocker panels going, taken care of. I'm gonna go ahead and do the floor. Now we're gonna attack today is this, I guess it's the inner outer cowl support, the piece that goes right up in here. So this is what we're gonna be fitting in today. It goes in like that, and I'm sure I'm gonna have to do some tweaking and some cutting. So first we're gonna go ahead and try to get this cut out, and I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get to it. I guess they was trying to put stuff in here, or it's either a rat nest or something up in here. Insulation. Ah, wait, that's nasty. Wow. I'm surprised nothing caught on fire. Alright guys, so we're going to try to finish, I already started taking some of the spot welds out with my spot weld tool. And we're going to try to take this panel off here so we can get into the inner and outer cowl support and replace all that there, but we got to first take this off. Whenever there's a new bit, it cuts right through it. So of course, guys, as soon as I'm almost finished getting the panel off, my chisel broke on me. So I had to run to Harbor Freight and get a new one. This one here, I've actually had it for about 5 years, so I use it a lot. So, but that was the Cobalt, and I think it's guaranteed. So I should be able to take that back to Lowe's. Anyway, let's get back at it, and hopefully this will work. I can tell a lot more power. Well, I'll tell you what, they got this thing up here chopped. I hear all kinds of different ways, boy. Just don't understand. I know it is. They got a welder to do back piece. All right, so I finally got that piece out. I mean, I tell you can see they had the outer panel welded to the inner panel, and I tell you what, man, just stuff I expect that when, you know, in a truck like this, but you know, like I said, this is my third truck, and this has been the worst one yet. So I'm gonna have to fabricate, probably add some pieces here. I have to put some more pieces in there. Just a lot of welding, unnecessary welding, you know. But anyway, we got the piece out. I'll probably end up cutting this piece here across, and I'll make my inner kick panel there. So I'm gonna do that first before I even attempt to put that piece back in. But this piece will go up. I'll show you. This piece will supposed to go up in there like that, and then I have me a whole new quarter panel. Well, before I actually cut out here, I'll show you basically what else I got done today. We did get the other rocker panel in, also the other cap, inner cap corner here. Did get the inner cap corner in, and I think I'm gonna have to replace that whole quarter wheel, but I haven't got to that side yet. So that's where we at, guys. Catch you guys on the next video.